Hey guys, what's up? Ron here from Helmods, and today we are over here at Nirala attending Going to Rider Mania 2018. A lot of fun, a lot of stuff going on over here. Don't miss it out. And you want to see how we came over here? So keep watching the video.
Like a firefly, open the night, alive and bright, chasing old shadows. Days grow longer and nights grow shorter as I lie free, passing streetlights and starry moonlights, and I fly free. The days grow longer and nights grow shorter as I lie free, passing streetlights and starry moonlights, and I fly free.
So it's 8 in the morning. We are in front of the KBZ showroom, or we are here from like 7:30. Yeah, we are here from like 7:30, and as usual, a lot of people over here are late. So we are most probably gonna start the ride from 8:30. Expected 9 भी हो सकता है. So it's 8:30 and we are leaving the Kolkata Bike Zone showroom. As expected, थोड़ा सा late हुआ, but it's all right. So let's continue with the ride. At the Kolaghat toll plaza for like 5-10 minutes waiting for the rest of the team to meet up, but since they're taking a lot of time, we are deciding to go to the resort and then we will meet them over there.
There I see, I feel no sorrow. Chale nikle kuche ki tarah, like a firefly. Open.
क्या कर रहे तुम?
पोजीशन कॉपी कर रहा हूँ.
Like a firefly, open the night, alive and bright, chasing old shadows. Like a firefly, open the night, alive and bright, chasing old shadows.
We have over here Ronavir Da. So Ronavir Da, what is Going to Rider Mania all about? राइडर मेनिया के बारे में तो सुना है.
पहले बात है, राइडर मेनिया ये हर साल 3rd वीक गोवा वैगेटर बीच में ही होता है, वैगेटर में ही होता है. हम लोगों का प्लेस एकदम परफेक्ट है. 3rd वीक ही होगा. इसमें ऑल ओवर इंडिया एंड ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड के राइडर्स आते हैं पार्टिसिपेट करने. बहुत से इवेंट होते हैं. इवेंट जैसे आप लोग यहाँ पे आज उसका थोड़ा ट्रेलर टाइप देख लिए है. स्लो रेस, कैरी योर बाइक, आर्म रेसलिंग and beer guzzling, everywhere they don't have a time. Every person, every rider, they have to enjoy this event. So that's why we are making in our total country, the name is Going to Rider Mania. Yeah. They just feel this a short type of things, what type of event and what type of crowd. This is our really pure motorcycling.
अच्छा, तो I'm going to ask him one question. ये वाला फोटो देख के थोड़ा याद आया. बट भाई क्लासिक में मैं ऐसे वाले थ्रेड्स लगा लूँ. इफ यू कैन सी इट,
दिस इज हवा पासिंग वाला थ्रेड. हवा विल कम फ्रॉम हियर, एंटर हियर एंड गो अवे.
तो हिमालयन पे ऐसे वाले थ्रेड्स लगा ले.
ये थ्रेड्स अगर लगा है ना, कोलकाता का रास्ता टूटेगा तो हमको ही भरना पड़ेगा फाइन.